welcome back to another video of Loco de Martin. Today I really want you, all of you, stay here with me because we're gonna prepare a cake because I want to surprise my daughter. She was recently in her birthday and I really want to surprise her. She doesn't have an idea that I will be preparing my first cake by myself for her. The first thing I have here, it is a pound of butter, pound of flour, 1 pound of sugar, and the yellow stuff of 10 eggs. I don't remember how to call this in English, but the yema en español, okay? The first thing we will be adding, it will be the butter. Have everything ready here. Here it is. It has to be like 4 sticks of butter, which is 1 pound. Vamos a hacer para poder pegar un poco más esto de aquí de los lados. Ya está agarrando un poquito mejor, ¿verdad? Vemos cómo va agarrando, ¿ves? Ya, casi ya vamos a ir a seguir agregando los otros ingredientes. Yo voy a ir agregando la otra harina que me falta. Y ahora le voy a seguir manual, ¿ok? Sorry. Y cuando ya ustedes le vean esta textura, es como si fuera una pasta, ¿ven? Y nosotros vamos a ir agregando los huevos, o sea, la yema de los huevos. Miren ya cómo se ven. ¿Ven? Se le tiene que ver así, como una pasta, ¿ven? Como una pasta. Cuando ya esté así, entonces vamos a ir agregando las yemas de los huevos, ¿ok? Ya esto está completamente mixing. Ligado todo. Y ahora vamos a proceder a ir poniéndole las yemas de los huevos, ¿ok? Yo voy a ir aquí ya arrancando y ahí yo voy a ir poniendo, ¿ok? So here I'm adding the yellow stuff of the egg. And we will continue mixing. A cup of pineapple juice that we will be adding. After I have the consistency that I really want. So I have here, and we will be adding a pineapple juice cup. You guys can see. This is the pineapple juice. After we do this, at the same time, we will be adding the sugar. That we need to get it back to the machine and be adding the sugar in the way that we want, okay? And here we are again. After we add a cup of pineapple juice, at the same moment, we will be adding a little bit of sugar, little by little. So we have to wait a little more until we mix everything. I have to use this clear part, and I will be a little sugar, and I will be adding little by little, okay? Little by little. Ya yo tengo mi mezcla y la voy a ir. Here I have my mix, and I'm going to be adding it on the pan that I will be using. It will be like a little bit bigger because I want the cake square. I really want it square because I have a basket that I will be putting the cake there, and it's the same size of this. Now we will be putting it in the oven for at least like 20 minutes or half an hour. It depends. We will be shaking on, okay? I have all the eggs here without the yellow stuff. We will be doing a Dominican frosting, okay? So this one doesn't get any butter, just the egg and the sugar, okay? Sugar, like I already melted, like I boiled it, like a cup of sugar in a cup of water. I put some cinnamon and some lemon skin, as you can see here. This is the sugar. So we don't use a spoon. We don't use a spoon. We have to use something like this, something plastic. So I will be getting some from here, and I will be adding, okay? A little bit by a little bit. So guys, y aquí ya tenemos nuestro suspiro. Aquí está nuestro Frosty. ¿Sí? It doesn't have any butter, so it's a little healthier because it doesn't have any butter. So now it's the time for us to take the cake out of the oven. Let's see. Here is the cake. Look at this. Look how beautiful. And I'm pretty sure it's delicious for all of the flavors that I put. I have to put a little to make sure that it fits, but it's really. So I have here my frosting. I will start right away because I want to have time that Alaya can come and enjoy. And guys, look how beautiful it gets the cake for my daughter. See? The most important is with the love that I make this for my daughter. It didn't come out perfectly, but it's perfect for her. Okay, let's call Alaya. Alaya, ven acá, corre, que mami tiene una surprise for you.
What is it?
Open your eyes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. I made this for you, girl. I know I gave you one for your birthday, but this is the second one, and this is made from mommy, okay? Happy birthday, girl.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it right now, but make sure you like, subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
That was so